Hi guys, welcome back to the Flying Apron. When it's time for snacks, it's very difficult to think what to eat and what not to. So here I'm bringing you a recipe of nachos. Starting with the dough for nachos, take maize flour, wheat flour, black pepper powder, chili flakes, chopped garlic, salt to taste, olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Now knead the dough. The dough should not be very hard or soft. It should be like the one which we make for rotis. You can knead it with the help of water. Once it is done, cover it with a cling wrap. Keep it aside for 30 to 35 minutes. Till then, we'll make the salsa sauce. First of all, starting with tomatoes, we'll be blanching the tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes by marking X, and then we'll blanch it in a simmering water after adding salt. Once it is done, transfer it into ice cold water and then peel off the skin. Peel it as much as it is possible, otherwise it's okay. Once it is done, just roughly chop it. Now take a capsicum, to it drizzle some oil, coat the capsicum with some oil. You can take any red, yellow, green, any of your choice. Then heat it on the direct flame till it's completely black. Turn it with the help of spoon. You can see how black it has turned. Now once it's completely black, remove it from the stove and let it cool down. And then remove all the black things from the capsicum. Now in a pan, add some oil. To this add chopped garlic, onion, very finely chopped, salt to taste so that onion becomes transparent easily, tomatoes, again salt to the part of tomatoes, and let it cook for around 7 to 8 minutes or until it becomes mushy. You can add water if needed. Then add chopped capsicum, tomato sauce, Mexican seasoning, and give it a mix. And let it cook for around 1 to 2 minutes more. Lastly, add some coriander and it's done. Now we'll unwrap the dough, cut it into equal pieces and make a roti out of it. Don't worry about the shape of the roti, you can cut it with a cutter. Then with the help of fork, just do holes to the roti and keep it aside. Now I'll roast it in the tawa, dry roast it, no need of ghee, oil or anything. You have to semi-roast it. And then cut it into equal pieces in the shape of nachos and then fry it on medium flame until it becomes golden brown. Final time of plating. Add some nachos in a plate. To this, add the salsa. Some olives. Jalapenos. And lastly, some grated cheese. Here I have used 1.5 cubes of cheese. You can add more if you want. Then some chili flakes. And again some olives and jalapenos. Microwave it for 1 minute and enjoy. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. For detailed recipe, do check the description box. And for more new recipes, stay tuned till next Monday.